Hey everybody, Ed Kaminsky with the Kaminsky Real Estate Group, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to answer all your Southern California real estate questions, and I'll give you an insider's look at Manhattan Beach, Hermosa Beach, Redondo Beach, and the Palos Verdes Peninsula. So whether you're buying a home, selling a home, or simply want to keep up with the real estate market, I'll give you the knowledge and the tools to help you keep up with your real estate goals. After all, like the song says,
I make millionaires. I close on time and all my happy clients sign on the dotted line. I make millionaires.
So you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I've been serving the South Bay community since 1987, and my team and I are selling over $300 million a year in sales volume. I've also been named one of the top 100 agents in the country by the Wall Street Journal, which is an incredible honor. I love my community, and I can't wait to share it with you right here on this channel on a regular basis. So if you want to be better prepared on your next real estate decision, subscribe now, then tap on the bell icon, and you'll be notified when our next video comes out. And finally, be sure to say hi in the comments below. What are your real estate goals? Let me know where you're watching from. Any questions you have about real estate, I'd love to hear from you and hopefully address the questions that you might have. See you out there.